In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete customer in FreshBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to watch out for so you can clean up your client list with confidence. First, open FreshBooks in your browser and log into your account. You'll land on the dashboard, which gives you a quick snapshot of your business. Make sure you're signed in with a role that has permission to manage clients. If you're part of a team, certain features may be limited based on your access. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click Clients. This takes you to the full list of customers in your account. You'll see their names, contact details, outstanding balances, and other at-a-glance info. This is the best place to manage your client records because all available actions are right in line with each customer. Now, find the customer you want to remove. You can scroll through the list or use the search field at the top to quickly narrow it down by name or email. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct customer, especially if you have similar names on your list. It's a good habit to double-check details here before moving forward. When you've located the correct customer, look at the same row for the delete icon, typically shown as a trash can on the far right. If you don't see it immediately, try hovering over the row. Some interfaces only reveal action icons when your cursor is over the line. The icon is specific to that customer, so there's no need to open a separate page. Click the delete icon, and FreshBooks will prompt you to confirm. Read the message carefully so you understand what will happen next. When you're sure, confirm the deletion. This removes the customer from your clients list and helps keep your records tidy. If you maintain any exports or backups, consider updating those so they reflect the latest changes. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If the delete option doesn't appear, you may not have the necessary permissions, or there could be activity tied to that customer that affects deletion availability. In those cases, reach out to your account admin or check your FreshBooks settings for more details. And remember, deletions are intended for customers you're certain you no longer need in your list, so take a moment to verify before confirming. That's it. Log in, open clients, pick the right customer, click the delete icon, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and keep your client list streamlined and up to date.